Here comes Louisa. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Look what Santa brought!
Santa Claus has been.
Do you see presents everywhere?
There's Meow Meow.
Meow Meow came back. Santa found Meow Meow.
Meow Meow.
Found him.
Do you want to go give Meow Meow a cuddle? Look. That's Louisa's
look,
hat.
Louisa's hat. Granddad's wearing a hat. It's Christmas.
Hi, Pumpkin. It's Christmas.
It's all overall.
Are you taking it all in? So look, these toys here are for Louisa. You've got a new table and a kitchen and a shopping cart.
Take that and put it on it. I wear a hat.
You want to wear a hat like everybody else for Santa?
You don't want to wear a hat?
I'm taking a movie. Oh, look how cute. Well, you don't have to.
Fine.
You gonna go?
Oh, Daddy's going to wear his hat.
Do you want to say hi to Meow Meow then? Huh?
He's been waiting.
Should we go see?
Found him and he's been waiting.
Should we go
ages
see?
for you.
What's all this?
See her. Have you seen her? Seen her book?
Who's that? You know what, honey? These are for you. If you want to play, you can touch it. Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help you? Is that Mommy's hat? And Daddy's a hat, and Grandma has a hat, and we all sing ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
How about that?
Oh.
You want to touch me? You can have Meow Meow. You want to say hi to Meow Meow? Meow Meow, I missed you. Are you scared of Meow Meow?
See you all day, man.
Are you scared? I
Hello,
dig it.
Meow. We haven't seen you
Meow
for a long time.
I have no idea how I'm doing with this. Yeah.
Daddy's got his hat on. Do
Here,
you want
listen.
your hat on?
We're about to lose battery, so can you, Yeah, Louisa, can you say Merry Christmas? Can you say Merry Christmas? Isn't it fun? Look, and there's all those presents. And you've got all these presents. Wow, do you know what? I think Santa read your shirt and said, Santa, I've been a good girl, and he got you nice things. Isn't it excited? Meow Meow. He found Meow Meow. He found Meow Meow. Up. It's the camera. So we're gonna say bye bye, folks, okay? Because the battery's gonna die. Do you want to say Merry Christmas? Do you think you can say Merry Christmas to the camera so we can see it later? Merry Christmas. Let's get opening.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas. There's Daddy. There's Grandma.
Merry Christmas.
Well done. See, Grandma's real good with the camera. There's Granddad. Merry Christmas.